I keep it real. I keep it real, my nigga. I keep it real.
Hey.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Adrian.
Hey, so we're on our way out. We're gonna go for an adventure today.
Volcano Bay.
Yes. This is the second love.
It's early.
Jesus Christ. This is the second time I've been there. You know, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've been there before. If you want to see that video, I'll just throw it right here. Right there. Go watch it. Yeah, we're gonna go do that today. I'm going with my shitty glasses that G doesn't like because she thinks I look like a woman because they're too big for my face.
They are.
They're not.
They are.
But they're not. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking brush my teeth. You know, my camera's getting foggy because my breath really smells right now. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and we're gonna be on our way out. We gonna
Be outside.
I'll see you when I wake up, man. I'm fucking tired. Okay.
Wake up.
Yeah,
Go ice up.
okay.
You ever wonder why? You ever wonder why? Said the lady with the long legs in the lawn chair. She liked the strings on my guitar neck and my blonde hair. I write about her thighs in my latest lines. I remember her eyes when I asked her why. Why would you pay for this apartment? It don't belong.
Alright, just got to Volcano Bay. We're about to get on this bus and then we're gonna be there.
Where I go when we're dancing, handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you.
Yo, we just got to Volcano Bay. Is she behind me here? Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Are you ready?
I am ready.
We're waiting for everybody else. Lee, Manny and his girl, and Lee's girl. Everybody's coming here. We're gonna meet up with them and slip and slide on all these rides.
I'm excited.
Yeah?
What?
Just kidding.
What do they have to do besides that slide?
Fucking the whole park. We gotta go get a locker. Yeah, we gotta get a locker, and we gotta put the camera away and do all that stuff. And then I'm probably gonna record with the GoPro like last time. So let's do that now. Shall we do it?
Ready? Give him that.
Take a video in the bathroom.
We're flexing with like, hey,
I look like a glazed fucking.
yeah, all y'all look like a couple. Y'all look like a creme brulee.
Hey baby, won't you look my way? I can be your new addiction. Hey baby, what you gotta say? All you're giving me is fiction. I'm a sorry sucker and this happens all the time. I find out that everybody talks, everybody talks, everybody talks. It started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the chit chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always got a backtrack when everybody talks back. Hey honey, you could be my drug, you could be my new prescription. Too much could be an overdose. All this trash talk make me itchy. Oh my shit. Everybody talks, everybody talks, everybody talks too much. It started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the chit chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always got a backtrack when everybody talks back. Never thought I'd live to see the day when everybody's words got in the way.
This is the fucking best, bro.
All you're giving me is friction. Hey sugar, what you gotta say? It started with a whisper.